Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So from this video we will going to learn C language. So C is a programming language. In the series of these videos we will learn about C language. So first of all, what is a language? A language is just a communication that is done between two entities. That means it can be two persons or two machines or a machine and a person. So this is just to convey the meaning. For example, if we take human languages, we have lot of languages. For example, English, Hindi, Telugu, and etc. So similarly, if you consider a programming language, it is a language that is used to tell a computer or a machine what to do. So what task a computer should perform, we will tell using the programming language. And programming languages include C language, Java, Python, C++ language, and many more. So, and coming to tokens, tokens are the smallest units of code that have meaning, like keywords, identifiers, and operators, etc. They are like letters in a sentence. If you consider English language, we have letters. So in the same way, for any programming language, there are tokens that are the smallest individual units of code that are used to construct that code. So we use the tokens and form a programming language. Coming to language levels, we have two language levels. One is low level language and another one is high level language. Low level language is a programming language that is close to machine language. So it is very hard for the humans to read and decode it. For example, machine language like zeros and ones, they're generally known as binary language. It is harder to decode by the humans. And assembly language is also used in the earlier days. Coming to modern technology, we use high level language, which is very easy for the humans to read and write. So high level language include C, Java, Python, all the programming languages. And this high level language is not directly sent to the machine because machine only understands zeros and ones. So in between machine and human there is a compiler. This compiler knows high level language. A compiler is a program that translates code written in a programming language, for example C or Java, into a machine language so that computer can run it. Examples of compilers are C compiler, Java compiler, Python compilers. Like C compiler includes GCC compiler, which we use in our tutorial. So humans write the code in high level language and this high level language is sent to the compiler. Here the compiler compiles the programming language and give out the respective low level language so that a machine could understand it and execute the task. So in this way a programming language works, and this is the necessity of learning programming language. So if you learn C language, then you can tell the computer or your machine what to do, what task it need to be performed. So in order to make the machines work for you, you have to learn programming languages. So in this tutorial, you will learn C programming language. And if you want to learn C language, then stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.